The Second World War 1939 to 1945. The First World War and its harsh peace treaties sowed the seeds for the Second World War. The damage of the Second World War brought the world into complete destruction. Causes of the Second World War: dissatisfaction with the Treaty of Versailles of the First World War, rise of fascism and Nazism, Japanese invasion of China, failure of League of Nations, and Hitler's invasion of Poland. In detail, dissatisfaction with the Treaty of Versailles. Germany was ill-treated and forced to sign the treaty. Germany lost her territories, her navy was destroyed, army was reduced to 1 lakh, and she was deprived of her coal and steel resources. Germany was forced to pay a huge war indemnity or war penalty of $33 billion. Germany lost all her colonies to the victorious Allies, Britain, Belgium, South Africa, and Portugal. This humiliation evoked a spirit of revenge in Hitler's mind, and Hitler refused to accept the Treaty of Versailles. Rise of fascism and Nazism. The rise of nationalism in Italy and Germany in the form of fascism in Italy and Nazism in Germany contributed to the causes which led to the Second World War. Italy wanted to revive the glory of the old Roman Empire. Then she joined the Anti-Comintern Pact in 1937 and formed a 10-year alliance with Germany in 1939 to strengthen her position again. Fascism took place under the leadership of Benito Mussolini and established dictatorship in Italy. He opposed the Treaty of Versailles. In Germany, Adolf Hitler also wanted to re-establish the prestige of Germany. He opposed the Treaty of Versailles and began to rearm or accumulated arms and weapons. Thus, Mussolini and Hitler led the countries to the Second World War. Japanese invasion of China. Japanese policy of expansion or to expand its territories was also a cause of the Second World War. She wanted to capture far east of Europe, and by 1931 she conquered Manchuria, Peking, Nanking, and other Chinese cities. Japan, in spite of the League's opposition, occupied Manchuria, and China appealed to the League of Nations to approve penalty against Japan. Britain and France, the leading members of the League, did not pay any attention to the appeal of China. Japan left the membership of the League of Nations and entered into a treaty with Germany and Italy in 1936 and started occupying the British and American properties in China. And in July 1937, war started between China and Japan. Britain and France did not interfere, thinking to weaken the power of China. So Japanese invasion of China and being the members of League of Nations when Britain and France remained silent, that led to the Second World War. Failure of League of Nations. The League of Nations was created after the First World War in 1929 to prevent future wars. It was a big blow when USA did not join the League. Whoever joined or the members of the League were not interested in the principle of collective security. As a result, Germany, Italy, and Japan fearlessly followed an aggressive foreign policy. When Japan occupied Manchuria in 1931, Italy occupied Abyssinia and Germany occupied Rhineland. When Poland, with the help of France, captured a part of Lithuania in 1920, the League did nothing. The economic sanctions or penalty were of no use against the aggressors or who attacked other nations, disrespecting the principles of the League of Nations. The League failed to maintain international peace, and the countries of Europe themselves entered into mutual political and military alliances, and the League of Nations failed completely. So, the Second World War took place, bringing number of destructions and devastations. Hitler's invasion on Poland. Hitler's attack on Poland was the immediate cause of the Second World War. Hitler wanted to regain the port of Danzig, which was given to Poland during the Treaty of Versailles after the First World War. Poland was accused of committing atrocities or cruelty against Germans living in Poland. On September 1st, 1939, the German armies marched into Poland. Then Britain and France declared war on Germany. Germany also attacked on France. Thus, the invasion of Poland marked the beginning of the Second World War. The German armies completed the conquest of Poland in less than 3 weeks. Some pictures related to the Second World War.